Perhaps they could use the help of someone taller.
Shaking the tree will not help. Let's go. Grandparents' house. This is my Granny and Grandpa's house. Grandpa is always in his garden and Granny takes care of the chickens.
This is Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Peppa always has a great time here.
Grandpa, what are you doing?
I'm planting seeds. Plants will grow in the garden. Do you want to help me?
Yes, please. What do we have to do?
Well, for starters, pick one of the plants in the garden and grab a seed from it.
Any plant?
Yes, Peppa. Whichever you prefer.
Ooh, but I don't know which one to pick. I know. Why don't you help me pick?
Help Peppa and Grandpa grow a new plant in the garden. Go to one of the plants and pick up a seed.
Just pick one and grab a seed. Don't leave yet. We should finish planting the seeds. Just pick one and grab a seed from it. What do you prefer?
Did you grab a seed? Well done. Now come back and plant it here.
Let's go this way.
First, make a little hole.
Now put the seed in.
Cover it with earth and water it. Fantastic! Now a new plant will grow here.
Will it take a long time, Grandpa?
Oh, yes. Plants grow very slowly. Make sure to come back every once in a while to see how much the plant has grown.
Good job. You have planted a new seed in Grandpa's garden. Make sure to come back here every once in a while to see the plants grow.